Our company is part of a holding company for the production of medicines in Novosibirsk. We have various equipment for the production of medicines, from a granulator to an automatic self-adhesive labeling line. At the end of the year, we carried out modernization and began to replace morally and technically obsolete equipment. I have been working as a chief technologist for 10 years and know all the technological processes well. I made a choice of new equipment independently and agreed it with the management before purchase. It was not an easy job. There is a lot of equipment on the market. Many processes have changed and become automated. In pharmaceutical production, it is very important to control the quality of raw materials and finished drugs. In production, they check the ratings of moisture level, melting time, transparency, decay time and dissolution, quantitative composition, melting, hardness parameters, thickness, viscosity. In order for the products to be of high quality and fully comply with hygienic requirements, it was necessary to take the choice of equipment seriously. After partial modernization, we decided to produce capsules for the treatment of inflammatory diseases, sealed in aluminum foil. What was needed was a compact and safe unit with a simple and easy to understand method of operation. The equipment had to operate automatically. The thin aluminum foil with a layer of heat-weldable varnish had to provide protection to the drug from environmental hazards. Since I had already chosen a lot of different equipment for our company, I had a little experience in selecting and remained the contacts of some reliable machine manufacturers. I searched the internet for an intermediary from Russia, because I once had a bad experience with equipment delivered by a Chinese intermediary, when a powder filling line was brought to us, but there were no installation documents or technical datasheet. It took us a long time to set up the line. We consulted with the manufacturers on the phone, although they were reluctant to talk to us. I chose 3 vendors online. I looked at the firm's time in the pharmaceutical supply market, the company's website, and the machine's delivery terms as criteria. All companies I phoned to make sure of the professionalism of managers. A specialist from one company said to wait for 5 minutes, but she never listened to me. I didn't like this attitude to the customer. This gave us the opportunity to start production of the inflammatory disease capsules 2 weeks earlier than planned. In the future, I plan to approach the manager of this company to purchase the analytical equipment that needs to be purchased to produce the drug in gelatin capsules. I am sure that he will choose me a high-quality equipment. Experience has shown that no matter how confident you are in your abilities, consulting a specialist will speed up the solution of the task at hand and free up time, which can be spent to your advantage.